Are you a new driver in the UK struggling to find affordable car insurance? You're not alone. Car insurance for new drivers can feel expensive and overwhelming. But the good news is that there are smart ways to find the right policy that fits both your budget and your needs. When it comes to choosing the best insurance, there isn't a one size fits all answer. What works for one driver might not work for another. However, some providers are known for offering competitive options specifically tailored for new drivers. Admiral, for example, is often praised for its affordability and its little box telematics policy. This black box monitors your driving habits and rewards safe driving with potential savings. Hastings Direct offers a similar approach with its You Drive telematics policy, which sets premiums based on your actual driving behavior. Marmalade is another popular choice, specializing in policies for young and new drivers, while the RAC also provides telematics-based coverage to help prove you're a safe driver. It's also worth getting quotes from insurers like Bell, Churchill, and Privilege, as they can sometimes offer surprisingly competitive rates. To get the best deal, comparison is key. Using sites like Money Supermarket, Compare the Market, or Go Compare allows you to see how rates differ based on your personal details. Considering a telematics or black box policy is a smart move because if you demonstrate safe driving, you could significantly lower your premiums. Another tip is to choose the right level of cover. Surprisingly, fully comprehensive cover can sometimes be cheaper than third-party insurance for new drivers because insurers often consider third-party policies higher risk. Picking a car in a lower insurance group, like a small hatchback, is another effective way to save money. Adding an experienced driver to your policy, like a parent, can also reduce costs. Just make sure they aren't the main driver, as that counts as insurance fraud. Finally, starting your own policy and building a no-claims bonus from day one is one of the smartest long-term strategies. Over time, this can save you hundreds of pounds and make finding affordable insurance much easier. Finding the best car insurance as a new driver in the UK doesn't have to be a headache. With the right provider, the right policy, and a little research, you can get coverage that's affordable, fair, and rewarding for safe driving. Start comparing, drive safely, and watch those premiums come down.